Hey guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator. I just got this in. It's an AN-PVS-2 from What a Country. Let's unbox it. Now, if you don't know what an AN-PVS-2 is, it's a Army-Navy portable visual search. It was used during the Vietnam War by the U.S. military as a night scope. And right now, they are available from What a Country. So let's see what we got here. Also, I'd like to shout out Men with Hills Militaria. I recently got this bayonet off their auction. You can check them out on Facebook. All right, AN-PVS-2 from What a Country. I also ordered some other stuff in here. So let's see what we got. All right, we got the order slip right here. And here's the box it comes in. Now this one was specifically, these ones here that they have were specifically for the Israeli military. Let me turn this around because the markings are this way, like that. So it comes in this really big case here, and this thing is heavy. Let me tell you what, this thing is pretty heavy. All right, that is what we got. So, definitely looks like it has been used in Israel. This case has seen better days, I tell you what. I mean, this thing was stacked up somewhere, you know, transported all over the place. Probably used in training a whole bunch. Okay, here we go. I'm going to unbox it. Just opening up the clamps here. And what do we have? Let's open up these ones too. Just undo all the clamps. Let's just move this box out the way. All right, and there it is. Wow, look at that. This one actually looks pretty fresh, not gonna lie. So we have some markings here. We got some Israeli markings. This is probably just like on and off, your on and off switch. Look at this guy. Man, this guy looks like he's in pretty decent shape for being, you know, from the 60s, 70s. Not so bad. You got some markings here, small Starlight scope. You got NSN number, and you got the, looks like they scratched out the serial number. That probably was a serial number there, and there's another number here. So I might have to do some more research into what they were doing there. This is your battery compartment here. We'll see if it works. We're going to do a testing video. Now the clamp here I got is specifically supposed to be for the M1A or the M14. So I might have to see right here is like your clamp for the M14 here. So I'm going to have to put that on there and mount this up there. You see how big this is? It's about 6 pounds. So not every soldier would want to carry this on his rifle. Now during the Vietnam War, they were rucking around a lot, and if they're on patrol, you probably had a guy that had one of these in the case, and they might use it at night where they would, you know, do some searches, just kind of search around. You also saw most of the uses of these from base defenses. So a base defense on the outer perimeter, maybe some watchtowers. You probably had some guys with these mounted on rifles, such as the M16, the M14. You might have also had these on a Browning 1919. All right, guys, AN-PVS-2 unboxed. AN-PVS-2 Army-Navy Portable Visual Search. Pretty awesome. Can't wait to test it out. Guys, also check out the link in the description where you can get some cool shirts off my website. Help support the channel. And as always, be sure to learn history and curate history. Pulverize the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Make it a great day.